Before the video starts, I want to say a quick word to S-Tech because he does some awesome cardboard builds. He recently made a Victory Royale sign from Fortnite, painted. It's awesome, and he's also got cardboard shelves. So go subscribe to him, and don't forget to subscribe to me as well. Hey guys, what is up? And today I'll be showing you how to 3D print and paint this awesome thermal detonator from Star Wars. So once you've got all the raw pieces printed out, prime them with spray paint or something. I didn't because I couldn't be bothered. I did paint them in black spray paint, I went over it in silver. So paint them in silver and then use a plastic bag and black paint and just kind of soften it over, and it creates this kind of weathered look. And then what you want to do is go between all the cracks with black paint. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. I've got a ton of other YouTube videos on my channel, everything on my channel, so go check it out. And don't forget to share.